Get from there, and now we'll come over to another little marshland. There's my weird little stump, and more bog. Oh, right in the water on that one. Oh, well, if my foot wasn't wet before, it is now. And go around this tree. Little purpley flowers. I don't know why I find those so just amazing. They're a different type of lupin. They're all through here. And then I still don't know what this green and yellow thing is. I got pictures of it. We'll look it up at some point. Anyways, here's the best view of the other waterfall, kind of framed in by these trees. See, they're just right next to each other. Big old redwood. That's part of what blocks my view from the RV. I'll go back over here, back through the bog. Yeah. This is probably the best view of both, although it's not really good for either. Sunlight. My batteries are charging finally. Okay. Once more through here and back through the bog. Now this is the bog. There we go. I don't know why I'm trying to keep my shoes dry. They're already wet. Oh. And we're back. Freaking gorgeous. Yep, it's time for me to pack up though and get out of here, go head up into Oregon. So, hope y'all enjoyed. Hope this one's better finally. I tried.